Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to design a mockup product review thumbnail in Photoshop. Create a new canvas, use a soft pastel or blush tone, gradient background for timeline. Import your model and product image and remove its background with selected subject. Adjust brightness and contrast for a clean beauty style glow. Add a soft shadow or trim light to subject the depth and focus. Use high end fonts like Playfair Display or Puppins for classy look. Add the text like makeup review and product name in bold, elegant typography. Apply